Hello and welcome to Skyborne Airline Academy in Vero Beach, Florida. I'm Jeff Devlin, the Center Director. I'm happy to announce that we'll be having our inaugural open house on Saturday, December 4th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We plan to open up our campus to you, allow you to see our facilities, sit in the cockpit of one of our aircraft, and even take one of our simulators for a short flight. We'll also on that day be announcing officially the launch of our partnership with SkyWest Airlines, where our students can join their professional pilot pathway program, which leads to a seat as a first officer at SkyWest Airlines. We also have other airline partnerships where you can become an American Airlines pilot through our partnership with Envoy, as well as landing a job as a pilot for Delta Airlines through our partnership with Endeavor. So please join us on this video tour as we show you around campus and talk about the many benefits of conducting your professional pilot training here in Vero Beach with Skyborne Airline Academy. Hello and welcome to our simulator room. We've recently purchased two brand new Redbird MCX advanced aviation training devices. These devices are configurable for both the single engine as well as the multi-engine aircraft. As you can see, there are dual controls. It really helps our instructors to provide instruction, and they have the nice G1000 avionics package as well as some really nice visuals. So if you go to skyborneacademy.com, follow the link and sign up for our open house on December 4th. We'll even put you right in the pilot seat and allow you to take the simulator for a flight. Hope to see you at the open house. Hi, and welcome to Flight Operations. This is our Operations Command Center. Students and instructors come here to get all their final paperwork checked, make sure that they're legal to go flying, check their weather, and then ultimately get their aircraft to go for their flights. Let's take a walk out on the ramp and check out some of our aircraft. We're out on the Skyborne ramp where we have currently 50 aircraft in our all-Piper fleet. We're flying the Warrior, the Arrow, and for our multi-engine training, we're using the Piper Seminole. Also, we have some plans for some fleet upgrades. We're looking at the Piper's new 100i, the Pilot, which is their training aircraft, which is brand new this year, and also the E-Flyer from By Aerospace, which is an all-electric powered airplane. We're flying out of Vero Beach Regional Airport, which is just an excellent place to deliver our airline-focused training. I'm standing in front of our training building, which in just a few short months will end up being the showcase of our campus here at Skyborne Airline Academy in Vero Beach. The building is under complete renovation. We're going to have 5 of our classrooms there with all modern technology to deliver just excellent training to our customers. Also, we're redoing all of our office spaces in which all of our teammates will be housed in this building. We're really proud of it, and we're looking forward to moving into that building in just a few months. Also, we have plans to install an Airbus A320 simulator sometime in 2022, right in our current simulator bay in the building behind me. I wanted to thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. We hope to see you at our open house on December 4th. Please come check out our campus and learn what Skyborne Airline Academy in Vero Beach is all about. Thank you.